Okay, Chamber of Commerce.
The second day of public hearing on proposed elections laws amendment bill featured religious leaders, the Kenya private sector, as well as former members of the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, all of whom endorsed the proposed legislation. The Kenya Private Sector Alliance and the National Chamber of Commerce expressed the hue of business community, saying the effect of the current political temperatures was severely hurting the economy.
The best interests of the business community, some of these amendments may be necessary. And my fear, as the fear of many businessmen, is should we go back to that situation of August 8th where the Supreme Court gives us the same verdict, we will suffer even more.
The businessmen suggested expansion of punitive measures proposed on returning officers who failed to sign the documents to cover even commissioners and political party agents. The former members of Parliamentary Justice and Legal Affairs Committee also appeared before the joint sitting to offer their legal wisdom. The former MPs supported the activities of the ad hoc committee, saying the amendments are in compliance with the Supreme Court ruling.
We agree with the amendments as proposed, but as a former legislator, I would like to tell members of Parliament that it is important, even as you make these decisions, you know that you're doing it within your mandate. Article 95 of the Constitution allows you to look at issues that affect the common man whom you represent and be able to make a decision for the country to be stable.
The clergy, through Kenya Interreligious Consortium and the Maendeleo ya Wanawake organization, also endorsed the proposed bill, which seeks to reintroduce the manual transmission to supersede the electronic transmission.
We support, and personally, I support what this committee is doing. Although there are areas that maybe I'll not dwell in this, but there are areas you forgot. I think two aspects. Number one is the welfare of our children.
It is our submission that Parliament has the requisite power and authority to amend election laws at any time. So when you are sitting here and any other time, we think that you have the right to sit, and that is why you were elected.
There were several dissenting voices from individual members of the public who appeared before the select committees. Ken Baraza, a Swahili teacher, questioned the rationale of the clause seeking to allow commissioners to act on behalf of IEBC chairperson in case the latter or the vice chair are absent.
Sioni kama ni wakati mwafaka wa kuleta sheria wakati huu. Nikizungumzia mambo matatu tu kwa yale ambayo yametajwa, kwa mfano swala la mwenyekiti. Kusema kwamba mwenyekiti kulingana na sheria lazima awe wakili. Sasa hivi mswada unasema kwamba anaweza kuwa mtu yoyote. Kwa nini wakati wa Kenya walipitisha katiba mpya mwaka 2010 hayo mambo yalikuwepo na waliona ilistahili?
You know, you can cause somebody to think that he's going to die by saying that if he's not there, the other one will take over. Let us not create impressions that will give a lot of questions in people. You have 40 million people, they read whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing. The imagination would be that maybe there is a plan for Chebukati to be eliminated.
Tomorrow, the committee is expected to meet the Law Society of Kenya, the IEBC, as well as political parties. Kevin Washira, Channel One News.